Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Wednesday, August 23rd, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now on to today's headlines. Financial services company Charles Schwab is planning on making extensive layoffs as well as reducing office space in several key locations to cut costs. Schwab did not say how many employees would be impacted in their SEC filing, but they are trying to generate $500 million in annual cost savings between the layoffs and footprint reduction, and are expected to incur $400 million to $500 million in fees between severance agreements, buyouts, and facility exits. So the reduction